Hey, good morning, everybody. It's the next day. I didn't get all my stuff done yesterday. I'm getting ready to go out for my bike ride in the morning, and I got a package here, and I want to see what's in it. You guys interested? Let's see what kind of goodies Amazon has sent me today. I buy so much stuff there, I lose track of what's showing up. Four-pack of LED lights. Man, these things are bigger than I thought they were. I should have read the description a little closer. Those are monsters. They have switches on them here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hook the main panel up with one master switch for the lights. Then you can go around and individually turn off and on each light in the bus. I think that's a better way of doing it. Okay. What do we have here? Something in a bag. Like it's sort of like Christmas. Well, we're going to have to take this one out of the bag here. This is nice. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that. That's pretty nice. That's well made. It's made by Vetomile. Look at the wiring here. That saved me a lot of hassle putting switches in. And each one of these is fused. There's two 15s, there's two 10s, and there's four 5s. And that should be plenty of circuitry for the inside the bus. You can label these lights here too. These lights, when you flip this, these lights come on here. And I've got all these little, I don't know if you can read those or not. That's nice. Little labels. Okay, I bought a second flexible drain, and the reason I bought this is I'm hoping I can hook this into the bottom of the shower stall, come through the bottom of the bus, then run this to either the outside of the bus where there will be an exterior storage tank that we'll have to run a hose to, or if I put another gray water tank in there, I can cut this off and just run that into the gray water tank. I haven't decided yet on that, but I needed one of those anyway. And, oh yeah, paper towel holder. I bought one of these for the last bus and I liked it so much that I bought another one. The paper towels hang, when they hang there, they bump up against the wall and they don't unravel. That's what I like about them. And what is this? I truly don't know. I've lost track on everything I've done here and ordered. Oh, okay. The deluxe shower valve in chrome. Of course, this isn't chrome, it's plastic, but that's what I'm putting in the shower. I know better to rip these bags open. End up losing all the parts. Hunting things down. But I've got the, I like this one because it had the deluxe hose on it. I like the chrome look. And there's a little on-off valve. These things never work. They're made to dribble. They dribble out quite a bit of water when you have them off, and you come on, they come on back full blast again. That's why I'm putting that little flip valve I showed you that KES makes. You put it right here, then hook your line up to it. And instead of using this one, you just flip it right down here. And this will save a lot of water if you can turn it off in between lathering up and washing your hair and that type of thing. Looks like it has fairly small holes in it too, so it'll be spraying a pretty fine stream. Gotta save your water when you're out there boondocking. Okay, that must be for this switch panel. I'll put it over here. Well, hope you found some of that informative. I don't know. Well, I'm heading out for my bike ride. Thanks. Hi guys, I'm going to go ahead and pull out one of these standard little 12-volt light bulbs here, and I'm going to replace it with a LED lamp. So in case any of you guys have never done any of this type of thing before, pretty simple. This is only going to take a minute. So you take the screw out. And there's the bulb. Now, I'm going to replace it with this little dude. This is an LED bulb. This will draw a lot less power than this one will. You can see that their bases are identical. So basically all they do, here's the hard part, huh? You just push it in gently and turn it. And there it is. That's all there is to it. And put the cover back on. I'm going to put some fresh screws on because those had a little surface coating of rust on them. I didn't like it. I'll turn it on for you in a minute here, okay? There it is on. I don't have the cover on it so you can see what the bulb looks like. I don't know if that really shows up well or not. It might just be a big glare. But I'll show you a comparison between the two while they are working. And if you look over here, this one right here, oops, get my finger there. There it is. That's incandescent. That's just the little 12-volt filament type bulb. And this one over here, right here, that one is the LED. And it makes quite a difference. I like the light color a lot better. And I don't like the yellow hue that these other bulbs have. And I'm going to go ahead and switch out the rest in this bus, but I'm going to have to go buy some more. I only had 4 left from the last build. So I'm going to have to pick up another 1, 2, 3 more of them, I guess. Okay, I hope you found that interesting anyway. Pretty basic, but some people don't know. All right, boy, my bike ride got a little wet. I went out to try to get in a few minutes and got down to the pier and back, and I got rained on pretty good, so I came home. And at least I got a little exercise in. I've dropped 6 pounds, believe it or not. I'm withering away from enormous to huge. But I'll get there slowly, I guess. You just got to stick with it. Okay, I'll see you on the next time. Bye. Hi everybody, I just wanted to address something about cabinetry in these vans. I see a lot of the cabinets being put into vans, like they'll put a IKEA cabinet in it or even a toolbox. And I always worry about those vans being not secured, and if you ever get in an accident, all that stuff is going to come forward. And, really should be addressed. Somebody should be talking about this. So I guess it's going to be me. I try to do something like this right here. You see those two little cap bolts there? They're hooked into a heavy-duty L bracket, which bolts into that rail right there. I can show you a little better on the cabinet here. Now I've got my shadow in front of it. See them right there? Carriage bolts, that's what I was trying to say. See what I've done on the inside? That's bolted right to that heavy duty rail right there. And it's bolted through the cabinet. I've also done it on the other side of the Murphy bed here. Down by the water tank, see it? I don't want these cabinets going anywhere if this thing ever gets in an accident. And it's really something to consider. Another thing people could do to help hold their cabinets in place is right down here at the base of the cabinet, you could buy a heavy duty L bracket and put in there. Screw it securely to the floor and through the bottom of the cabinet. And that would keep that cabinet from sliding forward. Anything would help. But yeah, I can imagine a flying toolbox or somebody's cabinet come flying forward when they got into a bad accident. And that might do more damage than the actual accident. Because the cars are, they're built with airbags and things like that to help, stop that from happening. From getting injured in an accident. But these cabinets, it's something to think about, people. If you're going to build something, put bracketry in. I'm going to use these fairly large brackets, and I'm going to put those up inside the cabinets up here. I'm going to put them down the back, up here. I'm going to use these brackets all over in this. I don't have them in yet, but they will be in. And try to keep this thing as secure as possible. Well, that's my 2 cents worth, so something to think about anyway. What, Rude? What's going on? Huh? What are you doing, buddy? What you doing, buddy? Hello there. He doesn't like it when it rains. Is that weird? He gets all needy. He howls sometimes. Goes through the shop and howls until somebody pets him. Don't you? Don't you, goofball? What are you doing? You gonna crawl up on me? Little weirdo. You're a strange kitty. Ouch!